guys, it's Greta, and today I'm going to show you how to do 3 different heart hairstyles. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I thought this one would be fun. So these are things you can try and do on your own hair, or you can do on someone else's. Maybe it's just for fun, or maybe you're going to go out with them. This is totally up to you, but I really hope you enjoy them. They're pretty simple, and as long as you know how to braid and how to use an elastic, you should be good. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright guys, so the very first one we're going to do is take a section of your hair and we're just going to braid this in a fishtail going straight down. So I don't want to hold my braid out because that's going to cause bubbling here. We're just going to take this section down, split it into our 2 and do our fishtail. If you don't already know how to fishtail, I'll leave the link up here for you to watch my how to fishtail video. Once you've braided your fishtail down a little bit, you can go ahead and take a section out of your fishtail and clip that up and out of the way. You're going to do that on both sides. Then go ahead and fishtail down a little bit further. And once you've gone down a couple more inches, go ahead and just secure that with an elastic. Now we're going to take each side of this braid that we left out and we're going to braid this a regular 3-strand braid. Go ahead and place a clip at the bottom of that so that doesn't fall apart. And then go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Once both of your braids are done, go ahead and lift them up just like this, and place your elastic at the base right here with them facing up. This is going to go around the entire fishtail plus the base of the 2 braids. Once that elastic is on, you're going to drop those braids down and bring them to the base, and that is going to be your heart. And the last thing you need to do is put your elastic right here. You can do as many of these hearts as you'd like. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. This is totally up to you. You can do a little like halo with them, or you can even braid it down again and have multiple hearts down that specific braid. Let's move on to number 2. For style number 2, we're going to take 2 sections on the outside of the face and bring them towards the back. We're going to combine these with an elastic so it won't go anywhere, just like this. Next, we're going to take sections again on the outside of the face and bring them to the back. Each section is going to come up and through this one here. So you can go ahead and lift this up and grab both of your ends from the next sections and pull it up and through. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. So now you should have something that looks like this. This is your first section that came back into your ponytail, and these are your two other sections. Now we do want to loosen this so that you can see a loop down here from each side. Just like that. Now we're doing that because the end of this section on this side comes down and through this loop there, and this one's going to come down and through this loop on this side. Like so. Now we're going to take the ends of both of those up and over the first elastic, and we're going to place an elastic on these ends, which are our second side sections. Place the elastic on the bottom to secure it. Once secured, we're going to pull it apart to make it look like a heart. You can kind of see the shape coming already, but what we're going to do is pull on the edges here and here. And this creates our heart. This would look super cute with some really nice romantic, long, beachy waves or curls, and you are set. So the third style, we're going to do the similar thing as we did with the second one, which is taking those two front pieces and bringing them towards the back. We are then going to secure them with an elastic, just like we did in the other one. Go ahead and tighten that. Then we're going to go ahead and separate this into two sections, like so. Then we're going to go ahead and take our section and flip it under and flip the other one under as well, keeping it towards the other side, just like this. Then we're going to take a section underneath that, adding in the two sections of that hair that we just fed through. So we have a new section of hair and the bottom of the hearts. Go ahead and place an elastic on that. Now you can either leave this one as is, you can pin it if needed, but we are going to take it a step further and add it into a pull-through braid. So we're going to go ahead and take more hair from here and bring it around, and then we're going to secure this one with an elastic. So I just popped a little bobby pin in there to keep that nice and secure. Then we're going to take the underneath one, we're going to section that into two parts, and then our top one is going to go through those two. We can even add in extra hair on both sides here now. Add an elastic. And what you can do is kind of pull the sides and edges of these just so that they're popping out and it looks nice and boho. You can do that as we go down or when you're done. I'm gonna add in a little bit more hair onto this one. Secure that again with an elastic. And there we are. Alright guys, that concludes the 3 hairstyles I was going to show you today. I really hope you enjoyed them and that they were pretty easy to follow along with. They're not too hard as long as you know how to braid and use elastics, like I said. I hope you enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel here. That would really mean a lot to me as I am trying to grow this channel and it's been so fun to just see how it has been growing. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and I will hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys!